Hi, Gamma's World. Today I just cooked a delicious cashew shrimp. It was so good. I recommend you try it. A lot of people don't like nuts in their food, but I am one of those who love it. If you don't like it, just omit them. So I'm using the rice vinegar, cornstarch, soy sauce, hoisin sauce, minced garlic, and better than bouillon seasoned vegetable base. So I take a whisk and I whisk that all together. And here are the shrimp that I'm using. I've already peeled them, cleaned them, and now I'm washing them. And after they're all washed, I take a paper towel and pat them dry. I begin seasoning them with onion powder, curry powder, salt-free garlic and herb, garlic powder, and white pepper. Using my tongs, I'll toss them to get the seasoning to cover the shrimp evenly. For this recipe, I'm using a pure sesame oil, and I will be heating that on a medium high heat. And while I'm waiting for that to heat up, I'm going to check on my brown rice that I have in a bag made by Success. My sister put me onto this, and I've never turned back. It comes out perfectly every time, 15 minutes, and voila. So now the shrimp have cooked on each side for 1 minute on that medium high heat. And here is where I'll add that sauce that I whisked together earlier. And I'll cook that in there with the shrimp for about 1 minute. We don't want to overcook those shrimp. And here is where I'll add the cashews to the shrimp and sauce. And again, if you don't like nuts in your food, you can omit them. And give that a little toss. And now I'm going to add about a half teaspoon of the Thai Kitchen roasted red chili paste. And I'll just stir that in until it melts into the sauce. And that should only take a couple of seconds, maybe 30, 40 seconds for that to melt and blend into the sauce. You can put this over rice or pasta or even maybe like a mashed potato, maybe even. But today I chose brown rice, again, out of the bag by Success. Cooks in 10 minutes. So I usually cook it for 15 and it's great. And I'm going to top that with some sesame seed. And I've already put a little parsley on top of it. And there you go. And when I tell you guys it was delicious, I mean delicious. Let me know in the comments if you guys actually try this recipe.